Hi friends, welcome to our channel. I am Josh. I am discussing about fluid mechanics subject in our channel. Now I start with fluid kinematics, the science which deals with the behavior of a fluid when the fluid in motion without considering pressure forces. It deals with a velocity, acceleration, time and space. Now I am discussing classification of flows. The first one is steady unsteady flows. Second one is uniform non-uniform flows. Third one is laminar transition turbulent flows. Fourth one is rotational irrotational flows. Fifth one is compressible incompressible flows. Sixth one and two three dimensional flows. Steady flow. The flow in which the fluid characteristics such as velocity, discharge, density does not change with respect to time. In this flow, fluid characteristics are stable, present to future. Unsteady flow. The flow in which the fluid characteristics such as velocity, discharge, density does changes with respect to time. In this flow, fluid characteristics are unstable, present to future. Uniform flow. The flow in which the fluid characteristics such as velocity, discharge, density does not change with respect to space. For example, it should be maintain uniform depth or slope. Non-uniform flow. The flow in which fluid characteristics such as velocity, discharge, density do changes with respect to space. For example, it should not be maintain uniform depth or slope. Laminar flow. The flow in which the fluid particles are passing through a straight, well-defined path or parallel. Transition flow. The flow in which the fluid particles are passing through a wave motion. Turbulent flow. The flow in which the fluid particles are passing through a zigzag or irregular. What is the Reynolds number? The ratio of inertial force to viscous force is said to be Reynolds number. If Reynolds number less than 2000, the flow is laminar flow. If the Reynolds number in between 2000 to 4000, this flow is called transition flow. If Reynolds number greater than the 4000, this flow is turbulent flow. Rotational flow. The flow in which the fluid particles are rotating about their own axis. In this flow, the fluid particles are rotate on their own axis. The do not rotating about their own axis is flow is called irrotational flow. Compressible flow. The flow in which the density of fluid is changes from point to point. In this flow, the density of fluid is not constant. Incompressible flow. The flow in which the density of fluid is do not changes from point to point. In this flow, the density of fluid is constant. One-dimensional flow. The flow in which velocity is function on one space coordinate. For example, velocity of flow in x direction. Two-dimensional flow. The flow in which velocity is function on two space coordinate. For example, the velocity of flow xy directions. Three-dimensional flow. The flow in which the velocity is function on three space coordinates. For example, velocity of flow in xyz directions. With this topic is over, so let's meet again. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.